Craig, that was a tale of two halves, if ever there was one. What's your assessment stood here?
Good, enjoyed it. I thought, it was what I expected, to be honest. Even said second half we were going up, this is going to be really tough. Knowing the manager of Iceland as well, knowing one or two of the profile players they have, they're going to go into man v man. That was it. Solutions are there, and how we look to play, but being able to find those solutions we struggled with. Second half, just due to how they turned, they had to chase the game then away from home. But how it's so good for us. Trust us, when I just spoke to the players then, we benefit so much from this little bit, like that little period, 45 minutes, that it being a library that it'll take a couple of minutes to be able to, we know what they're doing, they do this, we do that. So in the long run it'd be really beneficial to us. Obviously we're disappointed because we're being 2-0 up, but you know, it was a really pleasing performance, but also learning about the players, them learning about us. It was perfect.
Yeah, I was about to say, it feels like a really good learning curve, but I have to ask, the nature of the two goals that you conceded, a bit of disappointment with that?
Never good. Don't like conceding. I don't feel playing and coaching I've ever been involved in a goal I really liked or really thought I was very happy about. So that's, we're looking at it again. But it wasn't, it was just momentum as well. So understanding when we could take the steam out of the game as well and doing certain things at certain times. Overall, pleased.
I have to ask, a few yellow cards which has affected selection for Monday's game. A sense of frustration there at all, Craig?
No, it's 2 yellows. It's quite predictable as well, due to different styles of refereeing and what they interpret, which is fine, you expect it. It's not uncommon for any of the teams here, so it's normal.